Students, see page number 36. I am reading our remaining paragraph. As the rebellion spread, intellectuals from Calcutta rushed to the Indigo districts. Intellectuals means educated people. Now, blue rebellion spread out. So many educated people, they rushed, they moved out where to support to the peasants and cultivators, to support their struggle. So they came in various Indigo districts. They wrote of the misery means suffering, of the riots. They wrote about the sufferings or misery about the peasants and cultivators, the tyranny of the planters, how they were cruel. So they wrote about the planters and the horrors of the Indigo system. Now, how was the Indigo system was cruel and unjust? They wrote about all. Now I am reading this one. Worried by the rebellion, the government brought in the military to protect the planters from assault and set up the Indigo Commission to inquire into the system of indigo production. Now, government worried. And why? Because of the peasants and cultivators. Now they started to attack over the planters. So to protect them, so government called military for the protection for the planters, to protect the planters, and as well as set up the Indigo Commission for checking indigo production, for about the system of the indigo productions. So commission was set up by the government. The commission held the planters guilty. Here guilty means responsible for crime. So the Indigo Commission declared that planters, they were responsible for such type of crime and criticized them. Now they were criticized also for the coercive methods. Coercive means forceful method they used with the indigo cultivators. So indigo cultivation was one of the harsh method, we can say the unjust method. It declared that indigo production was not profitable for riots, as well as the Indigo Commission declared it was not profitable for peasants, for cultivators. It was profitable only for planters. The commission asked the riots to fulfill their existing contracts. Now, the commission said to the peasants, whatever they signed previous contracts, so first of all they complete it, and after that, and told them that they could refuse to produce indigo in future, as well as commission said not to sign in future. It means to refuse in future for the production of indigo. Now students, I am reading this one, last paragraph. Try to understand. After the revolt, indigo production collapsed in Bengal. This was the result of Blue Rebellion. indigo production totally collapsed in Bengal. But the planters now shifted their operation to Bihar, so that indigo planters now they shifted their operation for cultivation, indigo cultivation. They went where? In Bihar. With the discovery of synthetic dyes, synthetic means artificial, in the late 19th century, their business was severely affected because of the artificial dyes. So, planters' business, totally affected. Their profit decreased. But yet, they managed to expand production, but they tried to manage to earn, okay, whatever they wanted. When Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi ji returned from South Africa, you know, all of you. A peasant from Bihar persuaded him visit Champaran. Now one of peasant, now he met to Mahatma Gandhi ji and he said to visit Champaran to see condition of peasants, how they were living in Bihar, especially in indigo districts. A peasant from Bihar persuaded him, he means Mahatma Gandhi ji, visit Champaran and see the plight means condition. We can say the difficult, miserable condition of the indigo cultivators there. Mahatma Gandhi ji's visit. Now he visited. Mahatma Gandhi ji visited in 1917, marked the beginning of the Champaran movement against the indigo planters. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji went in 1917 in Bihar, and from there he started. That was one of the, we can say, the Champaran movement against the indigo planters. Now students, here our chapter is over. Now try to understand and do hard work. Thank you very much.